Good morning, Royals. I know I'm looking a hot mess today, but I'm up early because I have to help my granny make her patty pies this morning. Yes, her name is Patty, and she makes the best pies. So I'm gonna help her make those today, and I decided to bring you guys with me. We are starting early because we have a lot of family and we all need our patty pies. Like for Thanksgiving, we all need our own pie, if not two pies. So that's what I'm gonna help her do today. And yeah, I hope y'all are excited. Who wants to learn how to make some sweet potato? Did I say sweet potato? They're sweet potato. And Patty has been making pies for a long time. I wish that you could come over and taste them because they are bomb.com. They are fire. When I say fire, I mean fire. San Antonio, no. Patty pies ain't no joke. So yeah, we're gonna get in here and make these, and yeah, come along for the ride. All right, let's go.
All the potatoes are done.
Ooh. And then we put them onto there.
Put them over here, and then we're gonna clean them up, and then we're gonna drop them in that bowl right there.
In this big bowl. All right. Let's get to it. This is Granny's technique. Okay, now we can play again.
Okay. This one is a little stringy. So when they're that stringy, you know that you have to use some extra milk.
Okay.
And you can mash it.
With a fork?
Yeah, what you think? You got a fork? Yeah, mash it.
Okay. We're gonna take this potato and we're gonna mash it with a fork.
You don't have to mash it good now.
Oh,
Because
okay.
we got all these potatoes put in there.
Okay. Just mash it down a little bit, not too much. That should be perfect.
And you can tell these are good potatoes
Yes.
because they're quite orange.
Mm-hmm.
Hi, I'm Bill Name. If you're on Medicare, this is important information. This year's Medicare Advantage plans are allowed to include several benefits to help make your life easier. I call the Medicare Coverage Helpline.
So some potatoes aren't this orange?
You can get some that don't even turn.
Mm-hmm.
Benefits to make my life easier. But I give you
Okay, so we're gonna get some butter and we're gonna put it in this pan.
Yes, we are.
And
Let it sit there.
okay.
You see it behind you.
Okay, so we put some butter in the pan, and we're just gonna continue to
Peel the potatoes.
peel the potatoes.
In the mixer.
Okay. Plug in the mixer. All of the potatoes are mashed.
But they're not really.
Sugar.
Hold it up.
Alright, so your mixture should be getting smooth.
Yeah. And it shouldn't be this thick because we're not cutting.
Ooh, you gotta have some strong arms.
Give her the rest of the egg mixture.
Okay.
But also, I'm gonna put some more eggs in there.
Okay. So you should have like this pretty orange color.
Yeah.
Once you've incorporated your milk and your butter
Yeah.
and your eggs.
Yes.
Okay.
And you're gonna have to have some more milk. I see that.
She can just eyeball it, the ingredients. But as you're mixing, this is what's gonna make the pie smooth, is what Granny said.
Yes. So I done got everything at the bottom. Yes. And now we're going to start incorporating some of this sugar.
Put a little bit of sugar.
Okay, now she's going to continue whipping.
Ooh, Granny said that I got dirty.
Yes.
But you gotta get in there. You got to break a sweat.
You sure do.
So we incorporated our nutmeg, our vanilla, and it should be looking real smooth, just like
I've been at it too long.
Yes, I have made my first sweet potato pies with Granny.
Take your cup,
Mm-hmm.
fill her up,
Mm-hmm.
put it in this pie shell.
Mm.
Get you some more.
Mm-hmm.
Put it in the pie shell. We're gonna see how much we got.
Okay.
We're gonna shake it like this.
Ooh.
And that's how you do it.
And shake it, shake it, shake it.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's really not 300 and 240, it's only for 215 What's your side of the story?
So
That's
that's
how
your
you
first.
do it. We're gonna do the rest. Okay, so this is what your pie should look like after you filled everything. Oh my goodness, you guys, this is so
Baby,
delicious.
she really did good.
So delicious.
I went already since 5 o'clock. I got them too fast. And I'm gonna start.
So we have a total of
That's 20.
10 pies.
You're gonna cut and be in here when you be at the doctor.
Okay. Okay, so we put the pies in the oven. Those are gonna cook until about 5 o'clock. It is 12 right now, so they're gonna cook for a few hours. And I will be back to show y'all the finished product. Woo!
I'm investing in the bed.
So this is how the pies came out. Your pies should have a nice orangey,
I should have it after.
golden tone. Patty pies. Pies. Yep. So they came out perfect.
Yeah, that's one for you.
Okay, so it's time to taste this wonderful patty pie. So let's see. I got my amazing.